Hey everyone, I'm Brent with Great Loop Yacht Sales, and today I'm really excited to show you Nevadatude, a 2000 Mainship 390 that has been around the Great Loop multiple times and is ready to do it again. This isn't a boat that's been sitting at the dock dreaming about cruising. This boat has actually done it, and it's been set up by owners who know exactly what works. If you're looking for a turnkey, Great Loop or Bahamas ready trawler with solar, Watermaker, washer and dryer, fully equipped and ready to go tomorrow with a proven Yanmar diesel engine, then this is one you need to see. Let's head inside and I'll show you why Nevadatude is such a strong value in today's market. But first, a little cruise up the intercoastal. All right, as we step inside, I just want you to see how this one's different. The first thing you'll notice stepping into the Salon is how open and bright this Mainship feels. I love the flooring, the bamboo flooring throughout, which is durable, easy to clean, and perfect for cruising. Mainship really did nail the layout on these with big windows that open, great airflow, and a very usable living space. I love the starboard side deck access door here, especially on the loop when you're docking. The Salon is comfortable for everyday living. Actually, I might have even wanted to take a nap in one of these great chairs that's in here. I love the setup of this galley, microwave, TV, oven. Everything you're seeing here in the video is going to be included. Ice maker, so nice to have. And here is something you don't see on many main ships, combo washer and dryer unit. Really special to see on one of these main ships. You have all the comforts of home in a 39-foot trawler. Love the big sliding doors that lead out to the aft cockpit. This backsplash is just such a nice touch. All these appliances are going to come with the boat too. Here we are at the lower helm. And these chairs, again, these little barrel chairs, so neat and so fun. So here's our thruster, single engine Yanmar, autopilot remote, ready to go cruising. All right, let's slide downstairs and check out some more things. As you talking about the lower helm too, just great visibility. Thought we were going to head downstairs, but I want to show you this little hidden gem. Central vacuum, something else you don't see. Central vacuum on this boat. All right, as we head down the companionway here, we've got to starboard is our single head on this boat. Really nice, freshwater flush, great setup, separate enclosed shower, good space, and it's convenient here in this area, being between the two staterooms and also forward. Just such a great spot. Little bench area in here as well in the shower. Just wanted to show you that area as well. So as we take a look around, good storage spaces in this head as well. And if we go across the companionway here, this room has been set up as a storage area, and they've taken the beds out of here, and this is a storage area for the second stateroom. This could have the mattresses added back in and become a second stateroom, but for their long-term cruising, this is the way they wanted to use the boat. Storage under the bed, centerline queen here in the owner's stateroom, storage to both sides here in the master stateroom. Nice TV mounted on the wall. This is a smart TV as well. Love the little screens that she's made. This boat's ready to hang out and chill in the Bahamas. You do have an access door in the owner's stateroom that does go into the head as well. All right, let's head up to the Flybridge and check out what we've got going on there. You know, this boat is equipped with EVA foam on the steps, or some faux teak decking, if you will. And as we head up to the Flybridge, one of the biggest upgrades on this boat is the Flybridge and enclosure, giving you excellent visibility and protection from the weather. The seating up here has been reupholstered. There's a folding table, great sight lines. The aft section of the bridge is enclosed with this netting and can help you if you're cruising with the pup uh, as well. But just great helm layout. Electronics here. The boat does have AIS, another bow thruster control. Again, this canvas up here has been upgraded. And then we've got the table with storage in the center, this nice bench here. Great space on this boat. You can see the table slides out, and it does this on the opposite side as well. I just think that's so neat. Great place to have a lunch while you're underway, or to have some guests over in this area to really enjoy the evening and share a cocktail or enjoy the sunset together with friends. Um, The mast is hinged, so this boat can get lower if needed. Got a storage bench up here, some teak tables and chairs, solar panels, 380 kilowatts, I believe, solar. Um, as we walk around, there's a cooler, etc. All here, great layout up here on the Flybridge. And as we come down the steps and head to walk around the side decks, that's probably what um, Mainship is so well known for, is their wide side decks, their great handholds. It just gives you confidence as you move around on the boat. You don't feel like you're going to fall overboard. Um, and as we go up to go around the boat and take a look, we've got a really nice tender as well that will come with the vessel. And as we head up the port side here, you will see the side decks and railings. We've got some sunscreens over the windows. You can see the gel coat condition, even though this boat, I believe, has been around either 4 or 5 times around the loop. Flying the Goldbergie, you can take that down if you want to take the loop, and you change it out to white while you're in progress, and then once you complete your loop, you can switch over to the Goldbergie. Great chain locker with storage, windlass, anchor system set up. You've got your twin 30 amp power cables up here at the bow as well, and just a nice shot overall of the boat. Really, for a 25-year-old boat, this 2000 model Mainship is ready to take you around the loop and really treat you right. It's ready to go, which is just so nice. I always encourage customers to buy a boat that's been around the loop. Because if you try to get a boat and make it loop ready and add things like tender davit systems, all those things, solar. Here we are in the engine room inside. There's a single 300 horsepower Yanmar. Again, about 6,300 hours on it. Love the Raycor with the vacuum gauge on top of it. In the back corner, I'm going to zoom in here in a second, but that is our Watermaker base back there. There are 3 pieces of this flooring that will come up. I only have 2. I only have 2 of them up currently. So the one that you would access the Watermaker in is closed currently, and that's just basically because I was being lazy and didn't move as much of the furniture. Here's our batteries as well, 6-volt, and then we have the Xantrax inverter as well. But as far as doing your daily checks and working around this engine room, a true pleasure. You're not going to be struggling to check your oil or see what's going on with your engine. It really is nice. They give you tremendous access. So guys, this is a really great boat that's ready to do the loop again. And if you would like to schedule a showing, again, Brent with Great Loop Yacht Sales, and would love to help you out. But you don't find them with solar, Watermakers, washer and dryer, Yanmar diesels, and a layout with like this. This is a lot of boat for the money. Speaking of that, you can click in the notes of this video. You can get a full link to the listing, or check out greatloopyachtsales.com for full listing details, as well as 360 photos and additional photos. Reach out to me directly, and let's see if this boat is the right boat for your next adventure. This boat isn't aspirational, it is operational and ready to go. Thank you all for joining and tuning in today.